Let's go on to a game called Scene to Rap. This is for Wayne and Steven are going to start this game, and the other two are going to join them later. And they'll be rapping throughout the scene with the help of Rap Master Laura Hall on the piano. Okay. And what I need from the audience is a suggestion for the kind of disaster you might make a movie about.
Mardi Gras.
There's no disaster for me, buddy. Avalanche. There you go, an avalanche. That's good. It's about a avalanche, and rap away whenever you're ready.
Because you don't want to crash into the slope. Oh, look at mine. Oh, look at me. I'm the only black guy here to ski. Look at me as I go real fast. Oops, don't slip, might bust your ass. Oh, wait a second. Hold on, boys. Oops, big bop, don't make too much noise.
Step back for my attack. I gotta be clear. I feel fear. If this avalanche come, we're gonna be destroyed. I feel annoyed, not overjoyed. Perhaps I'm just paranoid. We can't avoid. Peace.
Don't stand here. Go, go, go. You're gonna be hit by flowing snow. Come with me. It won't be hard. Hop on my back. I'm a Saint Bernard.
Hi there, guys. Hi there, dogs. I saw you while I was standing on the log. I saw the avalanche come down the pass. That's why I brought this magnifying glass. We'll use the sun and the heat rays to make everything way safer.
Safer. Safer.
On now.
An extra 50 points to Colin for the chicken walk thing. Just like I dreamed it. Now, let's go in a game called